Hi guys, and welcome back for a new Q&DI video from my site. And here you will find my complete materials I used today, and below you will find my camera settings as always in this format on my channel. And my picture is also very easy explained. I played around with my smartphone and I was watching the screen here, and there are a lot of fingerprints on top, and I was thinking, hey, let's take a picture of one single fingerprint. I think this would be a cool idea. So this is my picture here today, and here you will see my results already. In the end of the video I will show you the results in a better quality, and of course I have added my fingerprints a bit in Photoshop that they are not real anymore, because I don't like to have my real fingerprints all over the internet. And my setup is also very simple. You need a smartphone screen or a laptop screen or a glass from a lens here where you can see a fingerprint on it, and then you have to clean it with a microfiber cloth like this here, that there are no fingerprints or any dust visible anymore. And then you have to place your fingerprint on top of it. And the good thing, in your skin there are a lot of oil, and on every glass you will see a fingerprint, and now you have to make it only visible. And it's very simple. You need only one or two lights. I choose here RGB lights, and then you have to play around a bit here and then look it through your macro lens, and then you will see it very clear, and then you can take your pictures. And that's all. I wish you a lot of fun with my results, and we will see us in my next video. Ciao!